Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Burma Sahab.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bhav. Today we are going to talk about why all this MSME sector, medium, small scale and larger scale organization, they miserable fail in India and other parts of the country. तो इसका रीजन हम अगर आइडेंटिफाई करें तो उसके रीजन्स में क्या आते हैं, क्यों ये फेल हो जाते हैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस। इस स्पेक्ट्रम की टीम ने इसको काफ़ी स्टडी किया। स्टडी करने के बाद आफ्टर टॉकिंग टू अराउंड 100-200 बिजनेसमैन and going into the root cause of the problem, what we have identified that there are 6 reasons for a organization to grow. The first reason that comes is the business trap stage. This is the stage where 86% of the businesses they fail within 2 years. Out of them, around half of them fail in 1 year only. So business trap stage is a very critical stage. Or just like a child, they are not nurtured, they are not taken care of, that's why they die out. So business trap stage is a stage where the business is not in control. Like one person, एक आदमी वो खुद परचेजिंग कर रहा है, वो खुद ही काम कर रहा है, खुद प्रोसेसिंग कर रहा है, खुद ही मार्केटिंग कर रहा है. Because he does not have any supporting hand, वो उस ट्रैप में फंस जाता है. फिर उसको कोई टाइम नहीं मिलता कि वो कैसे रेवेन्यू जनरेट करे, वो डे टू डे एक्टिविटी में फंसा रहता है. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट स्टेज है कि वो उसको टीम, अगर उसके पास 2-5 लोगों की टीम है तो वो टीम को डेलीगेट नहीं कर पाता काम, और जैसे ही वो रेवेन्यू जनरेशन में मूव होता है उसकी टीम पूरी कोलैप्स होती है. टीम वो रिजल्ट डिलीवर नहीं कर पाती जो रिजल्ट वो खुद डिलीवर कर पाता है. और कई लोग इसी ट्रैप में सालों साल फंसे हैं. 3 जनरेशन ओनली 1 शॉप, ऐसे कई सारे लोग हैं जो इस ट्रैप में फंसे हैं. तो इस ट्रैप से बाहर आने के लिए एक बिजनेसमैन ने उसको कैसे कंट्रोल में लाना है, इसके लिए अपने आप को एजुकेट करना है. इस एजुकेशन को मनी, टाइम, टीम, डिलीवरी, डेस्टिनेशन, ऐसे कई सारे सेशंस हैं जो इस स्पेक्ट्रम डिलीवर करता है, और कॉन्स्टेंटली डिलीवर करके उनके अंदर को वो एजुकेशन डालता है. उस एजुकेशन के बाद वो पूरी सारी चीज़ें उनको सेट हो जाती है और वो अगले स्टेज पे जाते हैं. अगले स्टेज है वह है बिजनेस आइडेंटिटी स्टेज. वी हैव रिव्यूड अराउंड 50 बिजनेसेस हु आर इनटू बिजनेस आइडेंटिटी स्टेज. दे हैव मेड एन आइडेंटिटी. वन शॉप हैज एन आइडेंटिटी, हैज a very good turnover, but they are not able to grow beyond that. This stage is called, they have a cash flow. One shop is very good, having very good turnover, very good cash, very good profits, but they are not going beyond that. The reason because they don't go beyond that is they don't have systems. Whatever is there in the mind of the person, they have never written it, they have never made a video, they have never mapped the process. So what they can deliver, their team cannot deliver. They don't have an organization chart, they don't have a job description, they don't have anything which makes them free. So the first stage is the business trap. Second stage is the business identity stage, where the business has an identity. The third stage is the stage where the businessman should move out of business and system should run. This is the stage where many businessmen in India are stuck because they don't know what is job description, they don't know what is MIS, they don't know what is ERP. These are the things which keeps them engaged in the business. So we have devised many tools which is incorporated in the business, and the businessman becomes free out of the business and business keeps on running. The next stage is core team development stage. A businessman which moves out, the business stops growing. Business is at par, but उसका ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है. तो हम कुछ ऐसे लीडरशिप पर्सनालिटी वाले लोग बिजनेसमैन को लाना पड़ता है जो बिजनेस को उनके बिना भी ग्रो करते रहे. That is called leadership development. So the next stage is incorporating a team, making a core team which is taking care of the growth of the business. When business trap stage is over, business identification is over, system is over, team is made, then it's the right time for business to replicate, to have branches, to have more and more franchisee, to have distributor appointed, to have recontractor appointed. There are so many ways of replicating because you have everything in place. You have people to grow it, you have systems, you have gone through the earlier stages of the trap. So if you are earning X, it will go to 10x. It will get from 10x, it will go to 100x. From 100x, it will go to 1000x. And this is how a person, a businessman who was earning a certain amount, let's say he starts earning 100, and he has reserve cash with the company. So if you have reserve cash and you are free, then what will you do? You will diversify. That is the final stage, that is called nirvana stage. In this stage, one business set gives revenue and money to start the other business. And in this stage, your business becomes a cash cow. Like Reliance has become a cash. Reliance Industries for Reliance Group, Reliance Industries has become cash cow, which is giving revenue for other Reliance Group to grow. These are the 6 stages of a business. That a businessman has to educate himself. In each stage, he has to educate, he has to understand, he has to change himself, he has to change his old habits, adopt the new habit. Then there is no other reason why every person cannot become Ambani, why every person cannot become Tata. Every person has that potential. But because of lack of education, lack of knowledge, they get stuck in every stage they cross. And unfortunately in Indian education, not only in Indian education system all around the globe, nobody teaches how to build business. This is what Ace Speculum does. Please come for at least a free assessment that we do, and we'll tell you where you are stuck. It's totally obligation free. Thanks a lot.
Stop.